So looking at this problem, we're going to do, or looking at this illustration, we're going to do 4 separate problems. The first one is finding the distance that this skier travels. So let's follow his path as he travels, because for the distance, we want to essentially count up his entire path. So he starts at A and travels down to B, and then from B, he goes to C, and finally, he turns around and goes back to D. So to find his total distance, we're going to add up the length of each one of these lines. So we're going to look at each line individually in order to do that. So from A to B, the whole line is broken up into 3 parts. So there's a 40-meter part, there's a 100-meter part, and there's another 40-meter part that he needs to travel in order to get all the way from A to B. So I'll add up then from A to B, 40 plus 100 plus 40, which equals 180. Then from B to C, he covers 2 of these little segments. He covers a 40-meter segment at the beginning, and then he covers a 100-meter segment. So I'll add those 2 together to find the total distance from B to C. So 40 plus 100. Oops, leave that back. 40 plus 100 is 140 meters. And then finally, from C to D, he just has to travel this 100-meter segment. So we don't have anything to add there. We can just write down that that distance was 100 meters. So to find his whole trip during this 3-minute stretch that he was skiing, we want to add together those 3 individual segments. So I'll add together 180, 140, and 100. So bring down the 0. 8 plus 4 is 12. So bring down the 2 and carry the 1. 1, 2, 3, 4. So his total distance during this trip was 420 meters.